再来看英国的南极勘测团队上新的研究指出，地动若是无周期通好推算，也是无法度预测，甚至是一阵地动发生了后，就会小连续几啊阵地动来发生。这项研究是打破地动会当预报的迷思，不过科学家也是想要利用地动破的速度来做研究，想要把灾害降到上低。就亲像咱台湾气象所的这个地动预警系统，就替民众争取到几啊秒的反应时间。
墨西哥伫新年过了后，就发生规模6.5个地动。台湾伫地动段，去年底就伫东部外海发生规模7个地动，这是当时101周边见到的状况。为了确认发生地动是毋是有会当遵照的周期，英国南极勘测去尼泊尔西部考察，因为这个关山湖那亲像天然的地质历史档案馆同款，那地动就会留囤积高插的痕迹。科学家分析，喜马拉雅山脉都有将近6000年的地动记录。
Everything is really dynamic. So you have like time to time with like one constraint. So you are building energy at some points, and then you are release energy at another part. So now to predict earthquakes at the moment, with the knowledge that we have, we are not in a position to do that.
加州医校斯珀斯第2月发表的最新研究，改变一般人的认知。地动唔那无法度精准预测，嘛无周期通讲。经过科学研究，敢来当预测会有地动，啊，毋过唔知影什么时阵会发生。无定着爱100年还是1000年，而且地动的发生好亲像无亲像时间还是表啊共款准。既然地动无时间表，科学家讲应对关键是增强高风险地区的抗震能力。
I think if you look at some place like Japan, they're very resilient to buildings. The challenge, of course, is that it costs money. So if you're in a region where you're trying to prioritize that money, then you want to make sure you're not overspending on seismic hazard. And there's also problems in many Central Asian cities that they've grown really fast over the past 50 years, and often without acknowledging the seismic risk.
加州医校斯珀斯家伫尼泊尔的研究结果，甲美国、印尼、纽西兰甲智利等地动活动正接的地区做比较，发现情况正共。虽然地动无法度预报，甚至有当时是规定发生的，不过科学家也是尽力伫研究，要甲地动灾害降到最低。像讲伫台湾，都是利用地动的波速，争取到几落秒，也是几落10秒的反应时间。公司新闻新乐培编译。